everybody, another week, another dollar. Today is Sunday, July 5th. I hope everybody enjoyed their 4th of July holiday weekend. Looks like we're in store for another big week on Wall Street, so let's kick it off. These are the top 5 things to know this week, starting off with number 1. Despite shrugging off the surging outbreak so far, virus data will be the thing to watch in the coming week. Florida and Texas have emerged as the latest hotspots in the U.S. coronavirus pandemic, with both states reporting new single-day record increases in confirmed cases on Saturday. A number of other states, most notably in the southern and western regions, also posted a record in the number of individuals testing positive for COVID-19. However, in a positive sign, the average daily U.S. death toll has gradually declined in recent weeks, despite the rising number of infections. On to number 2, the highlight of this week's economic calendar will be the ISM Services PMI for June, which is due on Monday morning. The survey is expected to show an improvement for the second straight month as the economy continues to recover thanks to easing lockdowns across the nation. On to number 3. The other closely watched report this week will of course be initial jobless claims due on Thursday morning. Another 1.4 million Americans likely applied for unemployment benefits last week, bringing the number of people claiming first-time jobless claims to almost 49 million in the last 4 months. On to number 4. Besides the services PMI and jobless claims figures, there are a few more economic reports this week, including inflation data. We get the June producer price inflation report on Friday morning. You can track the data releases in real time on Investing.com's economic calendar. And finally, number 5, over in earnings. With the banks set to officially kick off Q2 earnings season mid-month, some of the notable names reporting results this week include Dow component Walgreens, which reports Thursday ahead of the opening bell. Bed Bath & Beyond, Levi's, and Paychex are also expected to report quarterly results this week. So that's it for me. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and may the trading gods be with you.